Let us understand how to find out any duplicate values in a column using Power BI. Let us take an example to check if there are any duplicate invoice references in the dataset. Let's select Table View and go to the Query Table View. Now, select New Measure option under Column Tools menu option. We will use the Calculate function to make the formula to count rows of duplicate invoice references. Firstly, define the column heading, followed by inserting the Calculate function. Count rows will count rows for data column specified under Filter function used here after. In our example, the Invoice Date column. DAX function earlier is used to specify current row invoice number to be searched across entire column of invoice number. Result is count of duplicate invoices, where 2 or 3 represents number of times a invoice number is repeated. It is important to know how to read such information in case of large data. So now, we will explore options for exporting to Microsoft Excel, the end result of duplicate invoices identified. Under option 1, go to Table View, then select the column Duplicate Invoice Number and filter out one from the list. Then, right-click and select option Copy Table to copy and then paste it into an Excel for your reference. Second option is to create a list visual with columns, customer code, duplicate invoice count, and the invoice number. This shows even the invoices which are not repeated as seen with count 1. Hence, keeping the list visual selected, select the filter pane and apply filter on duplicate invoice count with more than 1. Resize the list visual to allow better reading of the output. To export, click on the 3 dots on the top right of the visual to show the Export Data option. And save the CSV file format for reference. Now, it's your turn to identify duplicate values in Power BI. Learn, practice and master your skills with Power BI Basics for All. Thank you.